Hi, everybody. It's Mrs. Golding. I am in your math packet on page 8, problem 4. And these problems that are coming up on page 8 here and then all the way through page 9, you're probably going to need a little bit of help. Unless you have internet access and you can search out these different these different statistics. So it's a snail and a X-15, a North American X-15, which is a fighter jet. So I've got a picture of a nice little snail here. By the way, if you see any of the lovely little plants coming up in your garden, especially if you have hostas, that are those plants that get the big leaves, they're all coming up right now. Snails really like to eat them. And so you kind of have to get rid of your snails in order to, and slugs, which are like snails without shells. I don't know why they don't have shells. I don't know. And the X-15, I have never seen one of these in person. I think my kids did when the air show was here. I'm not sure if this was one of those, but it's really, really fast, right? Snails are really slow. You get that concept. So a garden snail, and I got this statistic just from Google, its rate of travel is about 29 thousandths of a mile every hour. That's very slow, right? Okay, and then a X-wing, did I say X-wing fighter? No, that's Star Wars, right? An X-15 fighter jet. Wonder how fast an X-wing fighter goes. Is 4,520 miles per hour. So way, way fast, right? So you can figure out kind of the relationship here because your problem says if a snail's rate is 1, then the X-wing's aircraft is about what, right? Well, this isn't 1, but we're going to see what the relationship is from the garden snail to the fighter through multiplication or division, right? So we're going to see what do we have to multiply this by to get this. So we're going to see the relationship here, right? So I did it on my calculator. I'm going to copy this and I'm going to bring it back over to this slide so you can see it. We'll move it down here to the middle. Okay, so 4,520 divided by 29 thousandths is 155,862 and some change, right? It's not really change, but if you think about it, the relationship between these two is about 150,000 times faster, right? So a garden snail right here and an X-15. The X-15 is about 150,000 times faster. So that's what that means. If a snail's rate is 1, then the X-15 is 150,000. So you can see that as one of your answers. Hope you're having a good day.